Equality Matters, brought to you by the Equality Commission. Hello and welcome to this edition of Equality Matters, where we will be looking at the definition of disability in Northern Ireland. Is there an equality law in Northern Ireland which provides protection for disabled people who are in employment?
Yes, the Disability Discrimination Act 1995 does just that. The main purpose of this law, usually known as the DDA, is to prohibit discrimination and harassment in employment against disabled people. It aims to remove barriers that prevent disabled people having the same equality of opportunity in employment, and includes the duty for employers, in certain circumstances, to make what are known as reasonable adjustments.
But who does the Act regard as disabled?
The law defines the term disability and disabled person in a special way, and a person will benefit from the law only if he or she fits that definition. There's no official list that explains whether someone fits this definition or not, but an assessment is made based on this test. It must be a physical or mental impairment that has a substantial and long-term adverse effect on the person's ability to carry out normal day-to-day activities.
What do the terms long-term and substantial mean?
Long-term, for this purpose, means that the substantial adverse effects of the impairment must have lasted or be likely to last for at least 12 months. Substantial means neither minor nor trivial.
What does the Act regard as normal day-to-day activities?
Normal day-to-day activities are simply the things that people generally do on a daily basis, like walking to a bus stop, shopping, doing the housework, speaking on a telephone, or reading a newspaper. Recent case law has determined that a person's job could also be considered as a normal day-to-day activity. But there are some conditions that automatically qualify as a disability from the point of diagnosis onwards. For example, cancer, MS, and HIV. Severe disfigurements also come into this category.
Are there conditions that don't qualify as being a disability?
Yes, the law considers some impairments not to be qualifying disabilities. These range from things like hay fever and visual impairments that can be fixed by wearing glasses or contact lenses to more serious matters such as alcohol, nicotine or drug addiction, except for prescribed medications. They also include a tendency to steal, to set fires, or to physically or sexually abuse others, or to be involved in voyeurism and exhibitionism. More information on disability issues is available online at equalityni.org or contact the inquiry line on 02890 890 888, weekdays between 9 and 5. You can also sign up for a free accredited 3-hour training session at equalityni.org/training.
Equality Matters, brought to you by the Equality Commission.